Content management system and plugins. It is a set of process and technologies that supports the collection, managing and publishing of information in any form or medium. Plugins provide additional features and functionalities to the CMS system. Information collection for CMS and its plugins helps to find any loopholes or any additional data that it may provide as a part of reconnaissance. And the tools that will be used here are CMS map, CMS seek, WP scan and zoom scan. Let's jump into the demonstration part and have a look at each of them one by one. We go to a website github.com and here we will type CMS map and search for it. You can find a link over here. I just click that link and here is how to use this particular command. We can use -u for update, and if you want to just update CMS map, you have to use C option. If you want to update the plugins, you have to use P option. If you want to update both of them, you have to use PC option. And we will see the other options while executing the actual commands. So let's just jump into it. Let's execute it with PC option so that it will update the CMS map as well as the plugins. It is updating the plugins as well as the tool. Let's clear the screen. Execute the CMS map.py followed by the URL followed by -f for forescan, D is for Drupal, -F for full scan, -S is for no SSL check, --no EDB is for enumerate plugins without searching exploits, -O is for the output file. As you can see, it has found plenty of important information such as the CMS is Drupal, the version of CMS it is able to identify. It has found out the robot.txt file, the Drupal theme it is able to find, and here is the list of files that it is able to find on the Drupal website or the CMS system. As you can see, the output is collected in the output.txt file. If I open that file, I am able to find all the relevant information. Here we are talking about CMSeek. Let's search for it and search for the GitHub page. Here it is. Let's click it, and as you can see, here is the installation and usage directives. Let's copy the string and paste it. And let's visit the directory CMSeek. Install the required files which are mentioned in the requirements.txt file. Install the requirements as mentioned. Now let's execute the file using Python 3 and the file name cmseek.py. Let's select the option 1 for scanning and detection of CMS. Here is the target website, and as you can see, the result shows that it is Drupal. The version is 7. Let's talk about WP scan. I execute WP scan and it tells me how to proceed further. Let's update it first. It's updating the database and completed the process. Now execute WP scan with --URL option, and the URL I have mentioned here is example.com domain. Here it has completed the process, and as you can see, the information it is able to gather, including headers which shows the server is Apache, and the confidence level is 100% using passive mode of detection. The WordPress README file has been found with a confidence level of 100% with aggressive mode of detection. The WordPress version is 5.4.4 and it has detected it using passive detection method. Also, the WordPress theme in use has been displayed here along with its location. It tried enumerating all plugins via passive methods. Also, gallery videos directory has been found. The event calendar plugin has been found with a confidence level of 80%. The WooCommerce has been found using passive detection and the version is 4.6.1 and the confidence level is 100%. No config backups found. Here is the OWASP Zoom Scan project. Let's go to the GitHub page and copy the URL for the repository. Let's clone the repository over here. Git clone followed by the URL that we just copied. Once it is done, let's go to the directory zoom scan and list the files. Let's go through the readme.md file and here is the instruction to install it. Let's execute perl followed by zoomscan.pl. Here it shows how to use that particular tool. It just mentioned the zoomscan.pl followed by the target with -u option, and as you can see it has detected the Joomla version and the Joomla version is 3.9.8 and this Joomla version is not vulnerable. Readable information or status specific files are not found. You can get the results at this particular location. Let's visit that location and browse the file. Here is the page and you will get all the information over here. Firewall not detected, Joomla version is detected, core Joomla vulnerability does not exist, Apache info status files does not exist, admin finder page has been found.